everyone, I'm Mallory and welcome to the Engineering Ambassadors channel. In this video, Maggie, Lauren, and I will be showing you an engineering adaptation to a classic experiment. I'll let Maggie take it from here.
I always want to try the Mentos and soda experiment. I've seen a lot of people do it before and I thought that we'd try it for this video. But I wanted to make this experiment more than just about chemistry. Engineers don't only perform the experiment, but they figure out ways to improve it, change it, and make it better overall. So we'll explain the chemistry at the end, but right now we're going to go into what we're going to be engineering.
This challenge is called the Ultimate Soda Explosion. We are changing the different elements to make our soda explosions, well, the most ultimate. Scientists call the variable that you change the independent variable, and the variable that occurs as a result of this change the dependent variable. In this experiment, our independent variables are the type of soda, the number of Mentos, and the type of container. The dependent variable, what we are hoping to maximize, is the height of the explosions.
So we're going to test out these different modifications so you don't have to. Once we figured out which variables make the soda explosions the most ultimate, the three of us are going to compete to see just who can do it best. This is where we hope you guys will follow along from home and do the experiment with us. First, Maggie's going to decide which flavor of soda helps the soda to explode the most.
Okay guys, so we're going to see which soda achieves the best explosion. The sodas I'm using are Coke and Fanta. I'm going to drop 5 Mentos into each bottle and we're going to see which one's the best. Well, it looks like the Coke worked best. Now Mallory is going to determine the ideal number of Mentos to make the explosion go the highest.
So you just saw Maggie determine what the best flavor of soda is using 5 Mentos. Keeping 5 Mentos constant helped her control for the soda flavor. Now, we're going to keep the soda flavor constant to control for determining the best number of Mentos. Confused? Me too, but let's get started. So according to Google, people typically use 7 Mentos in this experiment. This is why I chose to test 6, 7, 8, and 9 Mentos to see which one works the best.
Okay, you can stop. Oh my goodness.
The results are in. It turns out that 8 Mentos is the best number to drop into your soda.
Now that we've found the best soda and the number of Mentos to use, I'm going to test which container creates the ultimate explosion. So people typically use the standard 2-liter bottle for this experiment, but an engineer always questions procedures to improve the experiment. So we're going to see if there's a better way to do this. I'm going to do the same experiment in 3 different containers. The original soda bottle, a large jar, and a wide mouth glass. It turns out that the best container to use for this experiment is still the 2-liter bottle. In my chemical engineering class, we learned about the equation of continuity, which describes how changing the diameter will change the velocity to maintain a constant mass flow rate. This explains why choosing a container with a smaller opening increases the velocity of the soda as it explodes. If you noticed, the 2-liter bottle has the smallest opening. The wide mouth glass has the biggest opening, and the large jar is in the middle. Since the bottle has the smallest opening, it also has the smallest diameter. Therefore, it produces a more ultimate explosion.
By changing these variables around, we found that the best way to make a soda explosion was by using Coke with 8 Mentos. Now to have some fun, me, Mallory, and Lauren are going to perform the experiment one final time using these parameters to complete the ultimate soda explosion. Now that you've seen us do it, you guys can do it at home too. So, let's get started.
Pressure's on.
How did this experiment work? This is how. The soda contains carbon dioxide, which is most stable in gaseous form and likes to form bubbles. When the Mentos are dropped in, the carbon dioxide uses the candy's surface as a place to form bubbles. As more and more bubbles form, the pressure becomes so high that an explosion occurs. This is the chemistry behind the ultimate soda explosion.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out some more videos on our channel. We hope to see you soon. Bye!